discussing fake miracle by your favorite, Dr. Tonia of True Health. With Dr. Tonia,
guys, you all are highly welcome. So today we are discussing about all the fake miracles the supposed and acclaimed men of God do. As you can see in this video, where Pastor Chris is doing abracadabra in form of miracle. Now, what you ask yourself is, what is he doing? He is trying to prove that he can heal somebody that is having medical challenge, that the hand is shortened. But guys, do you know what this woman, this woman that is on the screen, do you know the medical condition that she has? Of course, she has Erlers Danlos syndrome. Now, Erlers Danlos syndrome is a group of inherited disorders that weaken connective tissues. You know, remember now, under your connective tissues, there are proteins that support the skin, the joints, the blood vessels, and organs. So when you have this situation, that is this inherited disorder, it would lead to faulty collagen synthesis. And this faulty collagen synthesis is going to cause your skin to be hypermobile, your joints to be hypermobile. And this is what the contortionists, you know them, right? The contortionists are those people that are used when they are doing abracadabra on the theaters, okay? Where they stretch themselves, move their body in different ways, and they can pull their skin, and it will be very, very stretchy. That is exactly what this woman had. And some acclaimed man of God brings this kind of woman and staged a miracle. Now, listen guys, there are multiple types of Erlers Danlos syndrome. Because it is inherited, the person that is having this syndrome will have this inheritance, and it can vary from severe form of it to a milder form. The person will also have joint dislocations. The person can have berry and aortic aneurysm and organ rupture. Now, there are two basic types of Erlers Danlos syndrome that I'm going to discuss. There are so many of them, but I want to discuss just two of them. There is the classical type, which affect the joint, the skin, and this is caused by mutation of type 4 collagen. And then the second one is vascular type, which affect the vascular tissue, such as vessels, the aorta, muscles, organs that can be prone to rupture. Okay, this kind of organs is your uterus. In a gravid uterus, a woman that is pregnant can have this form of Erlers Danlos syndrome. So you can imagine how far these pastors can go to fake miracles. They stage every single thing. They stage the choir, they stage the song, they project the camera. Because guess what? They know the power of internet. They know the power of media. So these people use media to show the world. And guess what? Everybody wants miracle. Everybody heard what Jesus Christ did so many years ago. Now listen to me. I am not saying there is no good pastors. There are very good pastors out there. But the problem is, how do you know the good one? And guess what? With all these things happening in the media, he is still hypnotizing people. He's still making them, he will still tell them not to go to the hospital. If they go to the hospital, they are going to buy. And guess what? By the time he finished with them, imagine somebody that have just ordinary hypertension, that can be taking medications with good exercise and healthy lifestyle, you will live a very good life. They will end up making sure you don't take your medications, and then you end up having stroke. Many people have come, and doctors can do mostly nothing because they came late. So guys, please, now that you have known, stop patronizing these people and go do the right thing. Go work hard, get your money. That prayer you're praying is not what is going to give you money. Listen, they siphon you, get all your money, sell water, sell whatever thing they want to do, and tell you you are going to be rich. How are you going to be rich? You are enriching them. They buy private jets, buy beasts, all sorts of big exotic cars, and leave you very poor. Guys, be wise and sensible. I am going to stop here for you all to know. That's why I had to research about this illness, to tell you how low this men of God can go, all in the name of convincing the gullible followers that they are doing miracle. I will stop here. I will return back with some other evidences. There was one I saw when he said this happened, the person would say, no, it didn't happen to me. Like somebody would say, they didn't give the person the right scripts. Guys, shine your eyes. All right, this is your favorite doctor, Dr. Tonia of True Health with Dr. Tonia.
Thank you for listening. Please like,